Hello, it's Rachel. Today I'm creating an ATC using distress inks. To start, I'm adding my distress inks in Dusty Concord and Broken China directly to my craft sheet and picking up the ink with my cardstock. I do this a couple of times, drying in between so I can get some texture from the droplet effect. After this, I add some water onto the ATC, leave it a few seconds and then use a tissue to take that off and create some white spots on the card. And the reason I've done this is because I want to add a third colour of distress ink. This is Wild Honey, which I'm going to sponge onto the card using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. Now I'm going to add some stamping to my ATC. I'm using a clear stamp by Prima. This is a diamond pattern and I'm stamping it with the Wild Honey distress ink. Next, I want to sponge some gesso through a stencil. This one is by Stampenders. It came with a stamp set, and I'm using Ranger cut and dry foam to apply the gesso through the stencil. For the focal image, I've chosen a stamp by Technique Tuesday. This set is called One of a Kind, and I'm stamping using archival ink in jet black. For the text on the ATC, I've chosen a stamp set called Art Sayings. This is by Sample, which is put out by Creative Expressions. And I'm using a stamp positioner to align the text where I'd like it to be. And again, the stamping is in archival jet black. After this, I take a second stamp. This is of a small bird, and I stamp this 3 times to fill in the spaces and create more interest. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see the full product list, you'll find that as always in the video description, and you'll also find there my links to social media.